The Thermalright Assassin X120 is a CPU cooler that puts many pricier coolers to shame. If you have a cheaper and less demanding CPU, like a Ryzen 5 5500, this is arguably your best option. It rivals the performance of the best single-tower coolers on the market, and even features an ARGB fan. The lineage of the Assassin X120 Refined SE is interesting, as it's an improved version of the original Thermalright Assassin X120. That original cooler was a single-tower option with a 120mm fan, basic design, and no RGB. The Assassin X120 Refined SE brings a more polished heatsink design, better mounting hardware, and a slightly upgraded fan. The version we're looking at today is the ARGB version, which simply adds an ARGB fan on top of the Refined SE. Out of the box, this cooler comes with a tube of Thermalright TF4 thermal paste, mounting hardware for Intel and AMD platforms, the single-tower heatsink, and the addressable RGB 120mm fan. In terms of design, Thermalright uses 4 direct touch copper heat pipes that effectively move heat away from the CPU. These are arranged in a U shape at the bottom and have a nickel-plated pure copper coating on top of them. The fin stack is constructed of 99% pure aluminum, and the top of the cooler has a matte black cover to round off the look. The appearance is relatively simple. Its fin array is silver, while the fan and the top of the cooler are painted black. Thankfully, the ARGB fan does add some color to the mix, but this is an otherwise basic-looking cooler. That's not exactly a downside for the price, but something that might steer you away if you're looking for something flashy. The ARGB TLC12CS fan is a 120mm fan with a maximum speed of 1,550 RPM. It's a high static pressure fan that moves an air volume of 66.17 cubic feet per minute. Noise levels are also quite respectable, as it maintains a maximum level of 41 decibels at full load. If you're using a less power-hungry CPU like the Ryzen 5 5500, those noise levels will drop even further. Testing with an ambient temperature of 23 degrees Celsius, the Ryzen 5 5500 maintains a maximum temperature of 70 to 75 degrees Celsius. Even with higher-end processors like the 14700K, the temperature never exceeds 83 degrees. Of course, you won't be using this cooler with high-end CPUs, so its performance is quite impressive when paired with the right chip. Installation is also dead simple for both Intel and AMD processors. You just have to remove your old bracket, install the new one included in the box, and attach the heatsink with 2 simple screws. Next, attach the fan with the included clip, and you're good to go. In terms of competition, the only comparable coolers around the same price are the ID Cooling SE214XT and the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Spectrum V3. All 3 coolers look about the same, but the Thermalright has the best performance in terms of acoustics and thermals. Since performance is the most important metric at this budget, it's my go-to recommendation. So, the Assassin X120 won't blow you away with its design, but its impressive thermal and acoustic performance is excellent for the price. For entry-level and less demanding CPUs, this is a very easy recommendation from my side. To sum up, what I like is the fantastic price-to-performance ratio, the compact single-tower design, the ARGB fan at a dirt-cheap price, and the low noise levels. On the downside, somewhat basic-looking. Ratings: Design, 7 out of 10. Performance, 8 out of 10. Installation, 8 out of 10. Noise levels, 9 out of 10. Value, 9 out of 10. For an overall rating of 8 out of 10. Thanks for watching! Remember, you can check prices in the description below. And if you're interested in more PC building suggestions and hardware reviews, be sure to check out more of my videos. Before you go, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to stay updated, and let me know your opinion and suggestions in the comments. See you in the next one.